Greetings everyone, this is Elizabeth. Thank you for joining us today on the Crescent Creation channel. We are talking about the ink blending brushes that are available in the shop. There are 10 beautiful colors, something for all of your beautiful inks. And the holders, there is the 10 slot holder and we have a 5 slot holder. And I'm going to walk you through how to put it together so that they sit perfectly in place. You will need a small screwdriver. You can use one bigger than this. This is just what I have on my desk, and you only need it 2 times. I know there's 4 screws, but we only need it twice. So each acrylic piece has 2 holes drilled in it for the rods. Now, when they drilled, they did a concaved so that your screw will sit flush. So you want to make sure your screw sits flush on there. Okay, you're going to put your finger over the screw, flip it over, and apply the rod. And we only want it finger tight. We don't want it so tight that we can't take it apart later. Say like we're moving and we need to pack it up. The best thing to do is to take it apart. That way the little rods and screws don't get bent. These aren't meant to be manhandled. You're going to keep them on your desk and they're going to be pretty stationary. Now the next piece is the top part. Again, we're looking for the concaved holes for that. And then you're going to want to make sure that your holes step down off of each other, because we don't want to put it this way. Okay, that's not going to work. We want to make sure that they step off and are on the same side. So we're going to gently set that right over there. And this is where that comes in handy. Don't tighten that all the way. Just like any project, we're going to get the screws started on all ends and then go back and gently tighten. Okay, just like so, and there it is, nice and snug. Now if you already have ink blending brushes, this is still going to be perfect for you. I have makeup brushes that I use, and look, I have some that match the stuff from the shop. But if you have specialty brushes and you want a little container for those, there you have it. Very versatile. So as long as your handle fits through the little slot, okay, which I will measure for you. So we're looking at a 1/2 inch by 3/4. Okay, a 1/2 inch by 3/4. So as long as they fit through, they're gonna stay pretty good. Some of the weirder bottom ones, you know, might be a little bit fussy, but if you're not moving it around too much, it'll be fabulous. And I was just thinking, what was I thinking? Oh, they're clear. So visually, they don't take up a lot of space because you can see through them. It's not going to be like a blocking thing. They do slide around pretty easy. You know, a good mild earthquake and your brushes are going to stay put, you know, and they are pretty easy to put back where you need. And there's plenty of room to grab them out. I'm kind of klutzy, so that's me. Grab them from the top, you know. Be more delicate about it. There we go. See? Yeah. Once you get used to it, they're not going to flop all over the place. And my hands get a little shaky, so That doesn't always help my situation. But yeah. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Stop by the Crescent Creation shop to pick up your 10-pack or your little 5 brush stand, and then the 10-pack of brushes if you are in need of a colorful rainbow. I mean, look at that. Aren't they just beautiful? I can't wait to ink them up with you guys. Be sure to subscribe and follow for more great videos. Thanks again. Bye-bye.